as you may know, being vegan, you have to like cook a lot of stuff and it takes a long time. But I wanted to show you guys something that I love to make when I just really just don't feel like cooking and I just want something easy and quick. Great for a weekend or Taco Tuesday. These are vegan soft tacos. You can use hard tacos or whatever you want. So I start off with a little Daiya cheese. I like the cheddar one. You can use any of the cheeses that they have. I go ahead and I melt that a little bit, and I have some frozen chicken, mock chicken and frozen mock beef left from the empanadas that I made. I'll post a link to that video so you guys can see how I made that. But you always make a little extra and put it in the freezer, and then when you're ready to not cook, then you go ahead and defrost that and put it in your tacos. So I made a little mango salsa. This is just some mango, onions, cilantro, tomatoes, and a little bit of vinegar. That's it. It's just chopped up any kind of way. I added some fresh little lettuce that I had in the fridge, and I'm just building my tacos. This is vegan sour cream by Tofutti. That's my favorite brand of sour cream. And I actually used the sour cream to make the cream spinach, so I also had that left over in the fridge. And there you have it. You have some beautiful soft tacos. This is a super filling meal and it just tastes so good. So if you're looking for something that's quick, simple, and easy, here you have it, your vegan tacos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!